Damn, bro. This live shit, it's gonna go one of two ways.
I hope it goes the right way.
Either we say something that gets us.
Why are we looking up?
I felt like those lights are on.
नहीं है.
Just
अभी performance anxiety हो गया थोड़ा.
क्यों भाई?
I'm actually
There's-
sitting here after so
there's no
long.
one else
There's like 2,000 people watching.
Damn.
लाइव पे आके झूठ बोलने का.
दो कितने लोग हैं यार बचे?
No, but for real, we are sitting and hanging out after a very long time.
More
Yeah.
than a month.
Yeah.
Not more than a month.
आराम से more than a month.
बैठ के बात तो नहीं किया.
हाँ
हमने
नहीं किया.
बहुत
And
time
I've
से.
been avoiding you guys also since I came back.
Why?
Just to like have sit
अच्छा,
down and
ऐसा.
talk properly.
हाँ, which is something that we discussed. We were like when we used to live in Pune, हम सही में बहुत time के बाद आके सब मिल के बात करते थे. Now
Yeah.
it's just like now we're together all the time
Yeah.
because now we have nothing to do. Before we like you guys had jobs and shit.
Go work. Come
So
back.
now it's like okay, when do we record next? That's
To be
the job.
fair, Stuid, even when he had a job, he didn't do much. So
At his job.
yeah.
Fuck.
He'd show up at like 12 and
Yeah,
leave
right.
at 4.
नहीं I used to leave late. No, we used to leave very late. That's why I'd show up late.
तू भी हमेशा से थोड़ा कामचोर.
Come on, yaar. Why am I catching
Stu is-
strays? I'm like that kid in John caught stray from John Cena today.
Yugo and I have gone to Manali together, so now we have a bond.
Bond, what?
Yeah,
So now
fuck you, Stewie.
we have turned on
We're only
you.
friends.
We've turned on you now.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Should have just come on that trip.
We'll get into it, but
Yeah.
so this is what we're doing now. We're doing the episodes live for the members. So the members who are watching it live right now, it's 9:05 the time. Sometimes they will say, oh, pre-recorded and shit.
Yeah, we show it to them.
Yeah.
It's live, motherfuckers.
And we'll get to the live chat also every once in a while. I don't want to kill that episode ka ye to
Flow.
Yeah.
because of this is gonna go public after,
Yeah.
so it should still feel like an episode.
Yeah.
तो अभी हम जो बातें कर रहे हैं अभी like the people who watch us normally have no context, so we're gonna do boys episodes live. The members will get to see it uncut, unfiltered.
Yeah.
Unfiltered तो पहले से ही था.
But and towards the end, we'll
हाँ.
get to some questions also.
Yeah,
from the
and we'll
members.
answer questions, and so they're there, bro. They're in the room with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In spirit
It's like live recording.
and in the chat.
Yeah, and the people who are watching, who are not members and are missing this, you could become a member and catch us
Join
the
us
next
the
time.
next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to keep doing these
I was
now.
wondering who he's talking to. Then I realized the episode
नहीं,
बाद
है
में
भाई, लोग हैं.
बाद में.
Yeah, bro, we went to Manali for the first time. And I think the first time we ever went to like a proper mountain.
Yeah, proper cold.
Yeah.
Snow.
You guys have seen the snow before.
No, my first, I lost my snow virginity in those
Snow
mountains.
virginity.
Yeah.
Snow तो देखा है पहले.
कहाँ देखा है तूने snow पहले?
बाथरूम में मोबाइल के ऊपर.
Yeah, this is live shit.
This is why it shouldn't be live.
I had seen snow though as a kid.
Yeah.
My dad used to.
Your dad
He
got
used
you
to-
No,
snow on the
he
phone?
took us once to a place with snow.
हाँ.
देखा तो था but बहुत पहले bro, कुछ याद like I didn't remember what snow felt like. And
Yeah, it sucks.
What do you mean it
fucking
sucks?
dude?
Why?
Bro,
It's ice water, bro.
और क्या expected
अबे,
था
तो
भाई?
I didn't know. I mean, I knew, but it was.
see, we didn't experience snowfall. We
Yeah,
just saw the
correct.
fallen snow after the snowfall.
Yeah.
और भाई जो पहली रात हम गए थे ना तो रात के बीच में snowfall हुआ था.
अच्छा.
Because I saw the mountain in the day and then we went to sleep at night. We woke up and there was more snow.
Oh damn.
So I think that night it snowed a bit.
Damn. Can we talk about like us getting there also and how horrible it was? Like it's not the best way. Like getting to Manali is a task, bhai. Like
हाँ.
it's not
Oh.
so straightforward.
देख भाई
ऐसा-
लाइफ में ना कभी अभी when you're going through life and you're doing well, you're growing and you're
हाँ.
making money and this and that, there are certain things that you could do before.
हाँ.
And I'll sound like an asshole, like a spoiled
Yeah, go
like
on.
a spoiled truth while I say this.
Hmm.
But traveling in a bus is
Oh man.
for my old life. It's in the
Man,
past.
it's something.
How long was the bus?
8-9 hours.
Fuck.
I feel like the two of us have done the most, like the hardest bus trips ever. One of them was from Kathmandu to which city was that?
Pokhara.
Pokhara.
Kathmandu to Pokhara again, like proper mountain, there's ghats, valleys, and this.
तूने
Delhi to
डिस्कवरी पे
Manali.
वो शो देखा था द डेडलीस्ट
Yeah,
रोड्स
bus
द
routes
डेडलीस्ट
ना?
ट्रकर्स
Yeah,
और
yeah,
समथिंग
yeah, yeah.
वेयर हाफ द ट्रक इज ऑफ द
Off.
सो दैट्स द रूट लाइक
What
इट्स अ
nonsense.
रूट
It was
लाइक
that
दैट
बस
bad.
का आधा
हाँ.
गांड बाहर था भाई,
हाँ.
खाई
But
में.
how was he
सामने से
driving in
दूसरा
the
बस
at
आ रहा
night?
है.
Yeah.
नहीं दिन में गए हम
हाँ.
दे गो इन द डे ओनली बिकॉज दे नीड लाइट सामने से दूसरा बस आ रहा है ब्रो इट्स अ
Fuck.
टू वे ऑन दैट
That's crazy, bro.
और फिर वो जो बस बाहर के साइड से आ रहा है वो थोड़ा इट्स गोइंग ऑफ द ऑफ द वैली सो दैट दिस बस कैन गो एंड दिस
Fuck,
बस इज
bro.
स्क्रैपिंग द माउंटेन एंड गोइंग
गांड फटती रहेगी bro when you're in the bus like.
And we saw it like front seats, like
हाँ.
सामने की seats थे
The
हमारे.
bus is damn nice.
Yeah, the bus is
the
great.
Nepal ka bus was damn nice, like
Yeah.
luxury bus with those recliners and shit. But we had the last seat, so we couldn't even recline.
Wait, the Manali or we're talking about the Nepal? Which one are we talking about? I'm confused.
Nepal is the fuck all one.
हाँ.
Manali we were asleep.
Okay.
Actually, the road from Delhi to Manali is nice.
Road is nice, but I'm saying
Journey is not
journey
nice.
was little.
9 घंटा क्या करेगा bro in a bus?
हम melatonin लेके सो गए थे bro, but still like you're sitting there and you're thinking कि
When will it end?
when will it end and why am I doing this to myself? And there is some weird rule that you can't have sleeper buses going to Manali.
Why?
They only have semi-sleeper. So we were,
Yeah. Now we sound like choots.
But भाई
सो के जाना है.
और भाई
But क्यों नहीं भाई? सो के तो जाना चाहिए ना.
अरे
और
it's-
जो मतलब वहाँ पे हमारा दोस्त
हाँ.
था पहले से who was like telling us you
Yeah.
come. He I don't know why he made us go to Delhi.
Chandigarh is closer.
Chandigarh is closer
Yeah.
and there's
Yeah.
flights going to
I
Chandigarh.
know. When I went to Chandigarh, all of them asked me. They were like, "Are you all coming?" Because even I was supposed to come on this trip. So then, when I was in Chandigarh, they were like, "Bro, why don't you just stay back? Tell the boys to come. Either say you guys
हाँ,
go."
उधर से 3-4 घंटा है
Yeah,
bro,
उधर
शायद.
से it's quite close. They
Yeah.
told me.
Then, so Piyush, who took care of us over there, he's like, bro, flights are expensive or something. I was like, bro, ये तूने थोड़ा कम सोचा था, but ठीक है, we are here
You
now.
thought less of us.
We are here now. But सही में bro, bus travel तो नहीं होगा मेरे से, unless like
Unless it's like Europe. Or
Europe में something और थोड़ा
Luxury
Who
वाला.
goes on a bus in Europe?
व्यवस्था के साथ थोड़ा
थोड़ा proper व्यवस्था भाई जी.
facilities, bro.
Yeah.
Because the thing with the travel is one thing, then they stop in the way.
Yeah, and the unnecessary stops, bro.
Unnecessary stops and the normal stops also they'll stop at the shittiest places, the dirtiest toilets. You're like, why?
It stinks from like 1 kilometer away.
You're
Or
like, भाई यही जगह था क्या एक? And these guys, bro, these bus drivers, they have like side deals on the way. They do deliveries.
Yeah.
Or I don't know what they deliver, but all these small towns and villages in the way, these guys are the ones who are delivering packages and stuff, I think.
damn.
तो वहाँ पे बार बार रुक के किसी को ये दे रहे किसी को पैसा दे रहे he took on the phone and this time we were sitting on the front like first row so we could hear everything that goes down. This guy is like gambling online. The bus driver, then he stopped at the wine shop and his like conductor went and ऐसा in a
Conducted an alcohol deal.
he got a black bag
Filled with
a bottle
हाँ.
and ऐसा he's giving it ऐसा secretly to the driver.
So your driver was like drunk driving.
I stayed up for a while to see if he's drinking.
Yeah, I didn't sleep
I didn't
after
see
that.
him drinking. But they got the bottle at the start of the trip.
They were setting themselves.
But वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद तो मजा आया.
Yeah, all forgiven after reaching that place.
Because you reach there and you see, like as soon as you reach there, you can see the mountains.
Yeah.
And which is insane that you, in almost all places in Manali, you have
see
a
a
view
mountain.
of the mountain. So I think that's why it's such a big part of their lives. I was thinking about it on the way back. That the
On your 8-hour bus journey back.
was it 8 hour or
was
was it on
more,
the
I
flight or something? That's also another story that we'll get into. But so the people over there, one thing we observed was that they're very like content with life.
Yeah.
मतलब यहाँ पे तो मुंबई में रह रहा है, everyone's always running around trying to
Yeah.
get shit done. There they're just living. Matlab they wake up in the morning and they have work to do. But they're like, okay, we do this work because we want to do it and it pays for whatever we need. Uske upar we don't want anything. Other than that, we just want to live.
Yeah.
And they're very generous and ऐसा उनमें ये नहीं है this akkad of money and this and that. Like there, they wanted to pay for everything.
Yeah.
They weren't letting us pay for most stuff.
Very hospitable people.
Yeah. And then I was like, where does this come from? And I was like, bro, these guys, in their head, they're so rich because they own those mountains.
Yeah.
On paper, obviously, they don't have the paper that says we own it, but they own it because they have access to it at all times and they can do whatever they want and they protect it
Yeah.
as if it's
They
their
really
own.
protect those
So
places.
if you
though.
have that mountain every day, you wake up and you see it and you say that's mine. You're the richest person in the world if you own that fucking mountain.
Yeah.
So that's where it comes from, I think.
Yeah. They worship the mountains, right? Wahan pe.
Yeah. Because it is also like that. Because once we went there, one of the things that we realized were like, bro, you're not shit in front of nature.
Ha, of course.
Like you know it. You
Yeah,
know
you-
ki
you're-
aisa, if something happens, you're fucked. But once you are actually there, bro, like your foot gets stuck in the snow, you need someone to come and take you or you're going to be stuck there forever.
Bro,
Can't forget.
there was at least, I think
4 or 5 feet of snow.
4-5 feet of snow where अगर तेरा पैर गया अंदर
तू ही अंदर जाएगा
पूरा
भाई.
ढस जाएगा अंदर भाई. और हमको मजाक लग रहा था at the start because we went with people who were like who could actually snowboard and who've been around the mountains and stuff, and they would tell me कि भाई तू हमारे साथ चल, you know, we'll make way for you. I'm like, what do you mean you'll make way for me? What am I? You know? And
भाई
then
ने चौड़ दिखा दी.
I'm like, ये मतलब he's like ऐसा hiking in the snow isn't like hiking on a mountain.
Yeah.
So they're like, just wait for us, you know, we'll make way for you and then you come. I'm like, why tu chill kar? You put on your snow blade or whatever and then I'll see you upstairs, boy. Why? It took me at least 45 minutes to like scale maybe 20-30 feet. Every 5 minutes I was getting
Yeah.
stuck.
Then you realized what he was talking about.
Yeah.
Bro, so I was the last one to get on the snow and try climbing up.
Yeah.
So I I put my foot down and it sinks in.
Hmm.
And they had given us these boots.
Gum boots.
Gum boots or something. And as soon as my foot goes in, my boot is filled with snow now.
And it's
One step
done,
in.
bro. You're done if
And
what
uske
snow is.
niche I'm not wearing some long socks, like ankle length socks I'm wearing, usse thoda upar. So now I can feel the snow on my legs.
Bro.
Fuck.
And it's burning.
Yeah.
Frostbite.
Yeah, so I was like, bro, if I need to do something about this. So one step in and I had to stop going and I went to the car, removed my socks. Then I'm looking for plastic to wrap my socks in plastic
yeah.
so that at least there is a layer. Nahi mil raha hai mere ko. So then somehow I put my pants over the boot so that there is one layer. Then I'm climbing. These guys had gone up to some extent. And then I'm like, okay, these guys have gone up. Now I'll catch up to them. I get to where they are and I'm like dying, bro. Like breathing. And Ali, he was recording. He's like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And I'm like, bro, hold my phone. Hold this. He's like, dude, you figure this out. Like, stop acting like a pussy. And then in that moment, I was like, bro, like we're nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you're a piece of shit in
You're a
front
small
of nature.
piece.
एक हवा आएगा जोर से bro तू खत्म है bro.
But that's how nature always has been. I think we're not reminded of it because we live.
Inside our house.
Yeah, we live
Yeah.
here. We don't do any of that.
इधर थोड़ा like you don't like the air, you're like I'll get an air purifier for my room.
Yeah. But like being out there, bro, is like a reminder of our, you know, athletic, what's that? Disadvantages. कि ठीक है अपन जिम जाते हैं. We lift some dumbbells or whatever.
थोड़ा
fuck
मसल
does
आ
that
रहा
do?
है,
थोड़ा muscle आ गया.
दो comment आता है means
हाँ,
arms are
like-
looking. ओ उस पे
खुश हो गया भाई.
खुश हो
That's
गया.
fucking nothing, bro, when you're
Yeah.
trying to
Yeah.
like hike up a mountain filled with snow. Like there's
Endurance wise
endurance का तो पता चल गया मेरे को, stamina पता चल गया where I stand. Like all of this
कैसा
stuff.
रहा? What was your
Bro,
understanding?
we're not capable of doing any of it as of now.
also it's high altitude.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
of course.
breathing is
Already
a lot
breathing is
harder.
difficult.
It's cold.
Yeah.
and it's really cold.
It was like 1-2 degrees when we are in the day.
Yeah.
So that also we are getting used to for the first time. Like we've never experienced that.
Yeah.
And that's what your body, when it's in that zone, it's burning so much energy just to
Stay alive.
stay alive and get used to this temperature. So then after that you have nothing. You're done.
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't come, bro. मेरी गांड लग जाती.
तू तो बीमार था ना.
I was very sick.
Yeah.
That would have been like.
Yeah.
I think you would have had to leave me in the snow there only. The snow took him.
ये सब करने के बाद then पीयूष इज लाइक तो मैंने आज प्लान बनाया हम रात में इग्लू में रहेंगे.
Yeah, dude.
Spare us.
इग्लू तो नहीं होगा bro.
Yeah, and the nights were I think -5 or -7.
Yeah.
Like it was, and this igloo is on the summit of a mountain.
That would have been fun though. Like y'all should have done it.
Yeah, our clothes had gotten wet because we had gone in thinking कि हम करने वाले हैं आज.
Yeah,
we'll do this, but our clothes got wet and you can't spend the night with wet clothes when it's that cold.
Yeah, you can barely do it with warm clothes, bro.
Yeah,
Layers.
but I didn't mind the cold. Like the
You didn't
cold,
mind it?
It was annoying after a point कि भाई सब जगह मतलब ठंडे you have to wear 2-3 layers. But to an extent I also liked it.
If you have good looking clothes, it's a lot of fun, bro. The cold.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Like, you know, if you feel good, you've worn some nice jackets and all.
We were feeling good only,
You
bro.
feel damn
हम
good,
लोग
bro, in the
ski
cold.
mask डाल के पूरा
Yeah.
वो hoodie, we felt like
We-
हम सब
we-
Central से बन के घूम रहे भाई वहाँ पे.
Got some hard pictures and videos, bro. We've done a lot of fun stuff. there.
We vlogged the whole thing.
Yeah.
So people will also see it.
I can't wait for the vlog to come out, dude.
When is it
I
coming
have
out?
put in a
है चल रहा है काम.
so much fun shit, man. I can't.
Bro.
You guys will have to wait for that.
And shout out to Piyush also for like
Mehman.
he was a good host.
मेहमान नवाजी तो की है
हाँ.
भाई ने.
That's the thing. Another thing I realized after this trip, like if you are going to a place and you have people who are from there who can like take care of you
Yeah.
and like
Yeah.
take you to places, especially places like Manali that become commercial. Because we also went to one of the commercial places and it was pretty
You could
trash.
tell the difference.
We were like, ये क्या है भाई?
हाँ, like that was our least favorite
हाँ.
part of the whole experience.
And that's people go to Manali and just do that.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
were like, you know, it's good we had these people who took us to all the
Yeah.
cool places.
Cool places like natural hot springs. You want to tell us what happened?
Bro, so first day only after we got there. We got there in the afternoon. We had lunch. Then we needed to sleep because we hadn't slept the whole night
Yeah.
before. Then we woke up after a nap and Piyush is like, tonight, what do you guys want to do? What's the scene? He's like, we can go to a hot spring. And this is already evening, so it's pretty cold.
Cold.
We thought it's a day thing. 'Cause
Yeah,
when
yeah.
he said hot spring, I thought it's in the open somewhere.
दिन में होगा कि
हाँ,
अच्छा
किधर
धूप
तो-
में वगैरह है ना मस्त.
Then he's like, bro, अभी तो मजा आएगा, अभी तो ठंड है. And then I was like, ठीक है, first we'll go eat something, then we'll figure. He's like, you can eat there only. I was like, what do you mean? He's like, there's a cafe there and they serve food.
Cafe Hot Spring.
Yeah.
The
It was
cafe is called that.
Yeah. So they have the hot spring and you have to pay. And then the
How much do you pay for all of this?
I don't remember. Those guys only paid for it.
But why you get in the hot spring and they bring you food
हाँ,
there
whatever you've ordered.
when you're in it.
Oh.
So it's more like a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
But it's a natural hot spring. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उन लोग ने बनाया है.
I thought it was a made one. The first day that y'all went.
No, it had like sulfur and stuff in it.
Crazy.
Like
No, it's a natural, yeah.
तो वहाँ पे गए हम and it's pretty cold and the hot spring is fucking hot, bro. It's
Yeah,
not like
yeah.
ऐसा तू नहाता है वैसा पानी है. बहुत
It's
गर्म है.
little hotter than that. Yeah. And I like take a bath with really hot water. तो मेरे लिए फिर भी ठीक था.
We put our feet in and we were like, oh shit, this is actually hot.
Yeah.
So we sat there but मजा आ रहा था. सब बैठे,
मस्त.
we are chilling, everyone बकचोदी कर रहे.
Yeah.
And then they give like 30-minute slots. So 30 minutes.
We took 1 hour.
No, we were like 30 minutes is too less, bro. Like,
Yeah.
we want to chill for an hour.
हाँ.
We didn't know.
Yeah, हम तो देख these guys are locals and
Yeah,
they've done
they
it.
should have told us.
So they were like
No,
cool with it.
he said, one of the guys said, but don't do it for too long. It's people like, people don't feel good after. And,
Yeah, of course, it's hot inside, it's very cold outside.
I
Guard
think the sulfur is the
and he's like the sulfur also.
aspect.
So
Yeah.
you might feel like thoda.
And we're like, अरे ठीक है भाई,
ठीक है,
हम क्या ये है क्या भाई?
But 15 मिनट के बाद we were like ठीक है अभी निकलते हैं.
I gave Amin a look कि भाई देख मेरा हो रहा है अभी. And he's like,
I'm done.
नहीं, sit now, the food will come.
No, we wanted to get a shot.
हाँ
तो
हाँ,
युगू निकल गया पानी से.
मैं
युगू was like,
20
I'm
मिनट
done.
के बाद हो गया था मेरा. मैं बोला चलो थैंक यू, इट्स फकिंग आई एम डन हियर.
तो मैं बोला भाई तू आजा एक ये शॉट लेना है. तो he comes in and we are shooting and then we're like okay चल done, the shot is done, let's go. So we step out and we're getting the towel, drying ourselves, and I start ऐसा थोड़ा feeling lightheaded. Like okay ठीक है, I'll like I stood near a wall and I'm drying myself. I'm
Yeah.
trying to put clothes because then once you step out, it's still
It's
cold
cold.
outside.
It's-
Your
Yeah.
body is
Yeah.
hot, but like that breeze will hit
Yeah.
you. You're like okay.
Yeah.
So then I'm standing near the wall and Yugo's standing next to me, and then I tell Yugo, bro, I don't feel so good. Thoda just stand here so that in case.
Yeah.
And then I somehow wear my pants and I put the towel around and I go outside and I sit down and I start to fade.
Fuck.
Like I'm going like I feel like I'm about to faint.
Yeah.
Even when I was standing, I was like going like this, like this. Yugo ki gaand fat rahi hai wahan par.
Everything's
Just looking
turning
at him,
black.
Like he's going,
Yeah.
falling, dude. Yeah.
तो ऐसा I'm like going and I had to think quick. I was like, ठीक है, my blood pressure probably has dropped because you feel lightheaded.
Yeah.
And the quickest way to get it up is by having sugar. So I asked them for something sweet, and they're like, अभी बनाते हैं. I'm like बनाते हैं नहीं. You have like Coke or something to drink.
Yeah.
Then he gave me like Maaza. I had 2 sips and I started coming back. Like I went to the edge and I was like, oh okay.
Yeah.
As long as you didn't faint, bro, that's fine.
I was about to.
Yeah, he was very
like
close.
like थोड़ा इधर आधा सफेद हो गया था पूरा. Like it had turned white.
देखो सफेद होता है क्या? It's usually black.
Somehow, bro, I couldn't tell
You
black
couldn't
from
tell the
white. in
difference.
that moment. I wasn't thinking
I
about
mean, it's called a blackout. So.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, like everything just starts blacking out.
I was like, ठीक है, these guys were right. Then I removed my phone, I googled it. So what happens is your blood vessels, they dilate. Because your body is trying to cool down.
Yeah.
Suddenly it's become hot, so it's trying to cool itself down. Your blood vessels dilate, your blood pressure drops suddenly.
That was intense.
Yeah, then I was like,
तेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ क्या?
No, I was okay. Like I knew like I should get out.
हाँ.
And
You knew when to get out.
और वो जाके बैठ के खाने लगा.
yeah, I started. I chugged one bottle of Maaza. Best Maaza I've ever had in my life.
Maaza is so disgusting.
And
It hits, bro.
in that
when
moment.
you're in the mountains, bro.
Yeah, that was the hot spring experience.
Yeah.
Other than that, we were just chilling, bro. Like we were staying at this place where the view was so nice. Like I was posting stories every
Yeah,
day.
I could see it.
So once you were there, you're like, I'm already in the mountains. I don't want to go anywhere.
हाँ अभी इससे दूर कहाँ जा
उसके
रहा
साथ we had it was like a luxury resort kind
Yeah.
of thing. They had like TT and they had a gym.
They had some outdoor
Dude, they had mini
Badminton,
golf and
golf-
that's
Pickleball.
paddle,
Yeah, sorry,
pickle, whatever.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They had mini golf also.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, this shit sounds too much fun.
Yeah, and they had this area where shout out to Ashapuri village.
Shout out to Big Man Paul.
Yeah, the owner was also there. And
Yeah.
he was our age, so he was chilling, and he had this area where they had put like a bonfire. Every night they put a bonfire, and I broke my sobriety streak.
Oh,
They were like, bro, you have to
ठंड
drink
में
with
कुछ
us.
नहीं होता है ब्रो.
हाँ.
दारू पिएगा तो कुछ नहीं होता है.
मतलब हो मैं क्योंकि मैं
Cold, bro.
I was sitting in the heat
हाँ,
now in the
yeah.
fire. So they're like, bro, you have to have a drink with us. What the fuck?
Oh,
You've come to our
hot toddy.
and they only drink hot toddies there.
Yeah.
Then we had one drink and then that guy goes like, भाई एक drink तो हम
That
दुश्मन
was
के साथ
hard,
पीते दोस्त के साथ तो 2 ही पीना पड़ेगा.
That's a good dialogue, bro. I'm going to use this next time.
Like every time someone goes like one drink, एक drink तो भाई दुश्मन के साथ पीते हैं. तू तो
तेरे
दोस्त
साथ
है.
यूज करने वाले हम लोग लवड़े.
That won't work. मैं हूँ दुश्मन. I drink 3.
But really fond memories. I think now after this trip I can answer that question finally.
Which question?
Beaches or mountains?
And what is it?
Beaches.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I could tell. It was too cold for it to be like.
No, cold though, honestly, we went with the idea of experiencing the cold.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
if you're going
fair.
to the north, people say come April, come like May, after the cold is done. And now, when we went, they said the snow is done now.
Yeah.
You guys caught the last snow,
Yeah.
which we wanted to
Yeah.
see.
Yeah,
तो
it would have
हम-
been a little disappointing if we didn't get to see any.
हम वही सोच के गए थे ना कि ठंड एक्सपीरियंस करना
Yeah.
है. So that way we got what we wanted.
Yeah, for sure. सही था भाई. Like you get to like meet two kinds of people, right? When you go anywhere, there's the locals and there's other people who are
Yeah.
also tourists. And it's really good to meet locals who are into the place and actually do stuff. Like in the mountains, we were lucky to meet people who snowboard and do all that stuff. So you're like, if you ever want to try or think
Yeah.
about doing that, you know you have people who can help you do that.
Why did you guys not do like?
Bro,
why
it's
did you
not something you
snowboard?
can just pull up and do.
हाँ.
You need to.
It's difficult. It's dangerous also.
Yeah.
And the conditions weren't ideal when we went.
Yeah.
So there's different kinds of snow. When we went, it was pura like slush. So it was like melting very fast. And these guys also, they couldn't really do what they were planning to do.
Yeah.
Because they kept going up. And these guys, bro, like one of the things that they were complaining about was that we have all these conditions here, but we get no support
Yeah.
from the government to set up something here where people can travel and come and do all of this. Because if you're doing snowboarding or skiing, you're going up slopes, and from the slope you're coming, down. So you need like a cable car or something to take you up there.
Yeah.
These guys like go it by foot.
Why they hike up every single time? That's what that.
It must be
fucking-
so annoying, bro. You're walking up and then you come
Then
down
you
so
have to
fast.
wait there and rest for a bit
Yeah.
to catch your breath, and then you come on one slope.
Yeah.
And now if the snow
Then you
isn't
go
good,
home.
you're stopping
Yeah.
beach mein also. And then you climb all the way up again. They're like, bro, you can put like one cable car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
मतलब एक
tough,
तो
man,
होना
for-
चाहिए,
for
bro.
those guys.
And there were people from all over. Like when we went, there were a bunch of Europeans also. And they said, yeah, these guys keep coming. A lot of Russians come,
Yeah.
Europeans come.
Well, spoke to any of them or what?
No.
We were
They
just
were-
like near the fireplace
गांड फट गई थी.
the whole time.
But those guys, one thing I've noticed is those guys have a different, I don't know if it's aura or they have a different, like they see things differently. These people who are into adventure sports.
Yeah.
Like that attitude, it comes to other parts of their life also. Like whatever we were doing, like those guys, अरे कर लेंगे ना, हो
They-
जाएगा bro.
You see their
कैसे नहीं
risk
होगा?
appetite was like very high in doing whatever we were doing. They're like, nahi, we can push more, we can do this.
हाँ.
Even they were pushing us also.
Yeah.
They're like, अरे तू भी कर लेगा, तू
हाँ.
चल ये वो. And it's crazy. Just going down the slope, like
Yeah.
sliding down, you hike up for like half an hour, 45 minutes, and you get one chance to do it, bro, properly. And if you fuck up once, you gotta go up and do it again. That's the most insane part.
And another thing there, like time means something.
Yeah.
Like we're like, bro, abhi sunset ho jayega, so we can't do this. Like the
Yeah.
sun setting and rising, it has some meaning over there.
Yeah.
Here it doesn't mean shit.
Yeah. Here your life goes on.
Here you wake up at
Irrespective.
5 p.m. also, you can still go on with your life. You can order groceries at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
There it's like at night you get your stuff done by this certain time. उसके बाद कुछ होने
Yeah.
नहीं वाला है तो you get your shit done.
Yeah.
Sun must be rising early, na, over there. Comparatively.
नहीं
5:30 के आसपास रहेगा.
6
Sun was setting
Very early.
like
Setting तो early.
4:35.
4 is done. Like you lose light.
Yeah.
It's gone. Like
And then what do you do after the sun is down? घर पे बैठो.
नहीं तो वहाँ पे there were places people were going to. There was a club also that they were supposed to, like there was a party, but Yugu got sick the last night and we were also drained, so we skipped
Yeah.
that. I wanted to experience that also.
That
like,
would have
what
been
are
so much fun.
I
bro.
really- parties
I really
like
wanted
Clubbing
to
in Manali.
go for that
They
party.
should play Manali Trance there.
Yeah, I play the shit out of that song everywhere, bro, in the car.
Everywhere you felt
There it'll just be
the
trance.
vibes. Yeah.
Yeah, but it was overall it made that, like the last time when we went to Goa, we came back and we were our travel itch had become
Yeah.
even more itchy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after this, it just like Hugo and I were like, fuck, bro, we can't wait for the next trip. On this
Yeah.
trip, we were like, bro, we can't wait for the next trip
Yeah.
because when now this time we decided to vlog, and I was like, theek hai, if we're going to vlog, we're getting work done.
Yeah.
And if we can get to do this for work again and again, it'll be
Man.
insane.
Yeah. And we had so much fun vlogging there, dude.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
Yeah. It's a different kind of traveling when you're doing it for the camera.
It is.
But I used to think, oh, you won't be present in the moment, but you can still be, like, you can figure out
But that's
a way.
probably because you had someone recording for you. Because usually I feel like those people who do the khudwala, they won't be present in the moment. Because you're constantly thinking about how the frame will look,
Yeah.
what I should capture, what I shouldn't capture.
Yeah, that's actually true. Because then we were thinking of, okay, how do we make moments now?
Yeah.
And when you're trying to make moments, you end up doing things that are also fun.
Yeah.
So
You'll step out of your comfort
Yeah, you
zone.
would do things that you probably wouldn't do. Because if we had gone to Manali now, we would probably go sit in cafes, chill, do our thing. Like, I don't know what we would do if we weren't filming. But now they're like, oh, hot spring. Like, yeah, this will be crazy. Igloo, chal, let's do it. Like, it'll be a
Yeah.
crazy video. So it actually pushes you to do more.
100%. Yeah. And
Unless
like-
you're a boring vlogger. आज हम जा रहे हैं
कैफे में बैठने.
कैफे में बैठे, यहाँ का बहुत अच्छा था, 200 रुपए में. You're like,
coffee.
that is also good. Like, you get an idea of what the place is like without traveling, but like we want to do thoda crazy.
Yeah, we want to be a little more involved in the nature and the
Paint in the hot spring.
adventure side of things for sure.
Yeah.
That's one thing that I have in mind, bro. I need to be really fit so that I can actually do the stuff. Whether if it's a beach, then I want to learn how to surf. Or like be in a place where I can try.
How to swim or what?
Yeah. And if it's the snow, then you gotta be fit enough to hike up the snow and snowboard. Jo bhi hai, I need to reach those fitness levels to be able to.
Yeah, that's a good goal.
Yeah, that's
That's a good goal. That being said, I went to the gym today and I hated it.
bhai. It's so hard going to the gym now. Even I went after, I think it's been a while.
Yeah. Like
It's been a
I
week.
was in the gym and I was like,
Bhai, I can't.
this
hit
is not
my-
fun. Like, this shit is not fun, bro. Like, it sucks right now.
But why?
But because we've not had proper food, sleep, rest, we've not been exercising much.
Because I'm going after a while. I've
Yeah.
taken like 3 weeks ka gap.
3 weeks. हाँ मतलब Manali.
3 weeks and beach mein like sickness and travel.
हाँ,
You
and
were
ye
too
wo.
sick, bro, for no reason.
Everyone's gotten sick.
I was
Yeah.
bad.
Something in the air.
It's the
I to still have it.
the filth.
But then while I was feeling like that, I was like, okay, I know it also feels nice. Like I've gone to the gym and I've felt nice. Majority of the times I go and I feel good. When you're in
Yeah.
that flow,
You just forget about everything.
yeah, you're enjoying it.
That
You're
was me
like,
today.
fuck.
I was like, yeah. Like I was just enjoying myself.
And if you have
And then-
mirrors, it all looks better.
I don't like looking at the
Stewie
mirror.
did his like favorite workout at the gym today.
Which one?
It's called the bare minimum.
That's fun, man. Come on. I showed up.
45 minutes on the treadmill, bro. Why?
No,
Like,
man.
it's not
I do 15 or 20 on the treadmill.
15 plus 20 you do.
15
But
plus
bro,
20. nahin.
that is also a part of it, I feel.
Yeah, it is. But
I enjoy it, bro.
Just showing up at the gym
Yeah.
for a while and then you do this, what he's doing for a while, and then you're like, okay, now I want more. Now I'm used to coming to the gym every day, but I feel like I'm not getting the best
Yeah.
use of my workout. कि अगर मैं 1 घंटा जिम में बिता रहा हूँ रोज, तो I should be getting the maximum output. And that's when you maybe get a trainer and then you start taking care of your diet. But the first step is just
show
go.
up. Yeah, that's true. I agree. जरूरी है वो तो.
Start तो उससे ही होता है ना.
Yeah.
You have to be clueless a bit. Because then you go for a month and you're like, okay, now what?
Yeah.
Am I doing the right thing? So,
Nee, yeah, that's true.
but
It's just you gotta keep showing up at the gym.
but yeah, that's what I realized. I was like, ठीक है. So it's not supposed to be fun.
There will
You're
be
not-
days
you're-
ना ऐसा होएगी.
You're supposed to struggle, and like at every moment I was like, ठीक है ना, I'll just go home now. I've done 30 minutes.
नहीं,
I've
that's
done 35, 40
that's a
minutes.
bitch move.
And I'm seeing
Yeah,
I'm
you're
seeing
seeing
my
the time.
workout. I'm seeing my workout also ना कि
हाँ.
पहले तो मैं सब weights कम कर रहा हूँ अभी.
हाँ, but that's okay. Like that's not
okay, but like you don't like going back, na? The whole
Yeah.
goal is to go heavier and heavier, and now suddenly you're going backwards.
but that happens when you don't work out for a while. You see, you can't hit your, like I couldn't hit the weights that I hit
Yeah.
usually. And I've had the worst workout today, bro. It was a shit workout.
Yeah, तू बहुत
But I'm
जल्दी आ
like,
गया आज
हाँ,
वापस.
I'm like, I do 1 hour 30 at least. I like 1 hour, I'm like, भाई सब मैंने थोड़ा like I did as much as I could.
Yeah.
But I don't want to push myself for no reason. Like इतना ज़्यादा भी. Like tomorrow again I have to do this. So I'll wrap up. I'll make sure I eat properly and go again tomorrow.
I was sad throughout, like today. I was like, I'm so sad
Depressed.
while doing this. Like why? But that sadness goes away after the last rep. Once the last rep is done, you're like, okay, I'm done and I did it.
Yeah.
Now I get to chill and rest.
Yeah.
And then obviously there's the endorphins, and everything kicks in, and you're like, fuck, I did it, and I'm like, tomorrow it won't feel as bad as it
Yeah.
did today. Then you're like, okay, ठीक है, कर तो दिया. But that's why it's important to do till the end. तू अगर बीच में छोड़ देगा तो then that guilt will carry
Yeah.
for the rest of the day.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Did-
What's the chat saying? फोन पे देखो.
My guy forgot that he was
फोन पे मत.
working.
तू you tell me what are people talking
First of all,
about?
how many people are with us?
First of all,
Tell us.
We have
How full is the room?
Prashant on the mic.
People are saying there is an audio issue.
Audio issue.
और
तो
ये
तू अभी बोल रहा है अपने को.
अरे बट ऑन लाइव स्ट्रीम वो होता है भाई, ऑडियो थोड़ा डिले रहता है.
Delay
delay
रहता है.
की
हाँ,
दिक्कत
मतलब
है.
थोड़ा वीडियो और ऑडियो में सिंक नहीं रहता है.
Okay, that's.
दैट्स तो नॉर्मल.
But apart
that's
from
not
that, what are
normal.
they saying?
How's that normal?
I don't think it's normal. But how many people are with us?
9.
For us to apologize.
9 people were apologizing to.
ठीक है, ये अभी एडिट में सॉर्ट हो जाएगा. तुम लोग कल देख लो एपिसोड. अच्छे से देखना एक बार बैठ के वो.
Thank you to all the 9,000 people.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's. Should we do some questions?
Questions or I have stuff to talk about.
हाँ बता ना फिर भाई.
I had actually come up with a lot of stuff to talk about. I was gonna get into it.
Now would be a good time.
I have
हाँ.
one if you.
Okay,
Go.
Go on.
Now I was
Yeah.
gonna tell you all how I almost got like something in Chandigarh, bro.
Something मतलब R word it.
Probably
M word.
M word, R word, almost
You got
borderline.
You got mode.
I almost got mode, bro.
You got molested.
molested, bro. I'll tell you guys. It
क्या
was,
बात कर रहा है? I don't know.
it's kind of scary now that I think about it in hindsight.
ठीक है, keep it to yourself. ये सब बताते नहीं है भाई. This you have to like live with.
Why? No, I didn't get.
No,
I didn't get.
It was probably your fault.
This guy, it was my fault, bro. I'll tell you all what happened. It was like 3 in the morning and I was
What were
taking a
you
cab.
wearing?
I had worn a hoodie and like jeans and shoes.
Why were you out at 3 in the morning?
I was going to the airport.
Okay.
So I had booked the cab. The cab guy comes, picks me up. So I sit in the front whenever I'm in a new city. I sit in the front next to the cab driver.
Why?
I mean, it's easier, bro. What if they fucking like if he has a gun and he does something else? What are you gonna do?
Why? You have more advantage if you're behind someone.
No,
How
if
is
you're
he
next
gonna-
to them, it's easier. No, I can pull the handbrake or some shit like that. If he pulls a sneaky one.
ठीक है, I mean. Okay.
Okay.
It's just more control in the front seat. So then this guy and I, we are talking, and he has like a very thick Haryanvi accent. And then he just like talking to me the whole time, and his eyes are like this. Okay, like he seems like he's faded. Then he goes, he's like, "आप चरस पीते हो?" I said no. He's
आप तो लग रहे हो.
Then he said, then after it, like he's asked me this question, like, "आप cigarette पीते हो?" I said nahi. Then we're having a good conversation. Okay, like actually a good conversation, and he's like he wanted to be in the army. And the only reason he couldn't be in the army was because he's like, I cleared all the tests, but apparently in the Indian army, if you have like a stitch or something, you're not allowed. So his whole hand was like cut, his thumb was cut. So he showed me the full stitch mark, and he's like, this is the reason why I couldn't be in the army. And he's like, it's still one of my biggest things that I feel very bad about.
Wait, hold up. Why didn't they just check it before the tests?
I don't know. He just said some shit, bro. He was
ना
probably
exam
making
देने
the
के
shit
बाद-
up.
Exam देने के बाद कर रहा है.
Then he tells me all of this. He's like, I've been a driver for like 3 years, 4 years. All of this, we're having like a decent conversation. Then midway, he suddenly goes, he's like, आपसे ना बात करते हुए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So I said, thank you, sir. Like, what else do I say? He's like, usually people don't talk to me. They sit quietly or they're on their phone. I'm like, sweet, bro. Like, wholesome guy. Then the thing is, on the way to the airport, there's this one. Chandigarh is a beautiful city, by the way. We have to go.
You know, Chand. Kya?
He said he pulled your handbrake or what?
He changes gear. Put him in reverse gear.
देख भाई, एक तो तू जाके उसके पास बैठा है and you're sitting and talking to him.
Channel change कर दिया है.
Yeah, I don't blame that guy.
He put him in FM से AM कर दिया.
There's this one patch where there was literally nobody on the road. And this guy is driving and he just like stops the car to the side of the road. So I thought he's like stopped to pee or something. Then he removes his seatbelt and he looks at me and he gives me the smile. And I was like, fuck. And then he goes, he's like,
Damn.
he's like, before that, he's like, कितना time है आपको airport को? Flight कितने बजे? So I felt the question was a little off. I was like, 4:30 का flight है. It was at 5:30. And then he just stops the car. He's like, बहुत time है. एक काम करते ना, उतर के हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पर. I was like, what the fuck, bro? I said, sir, वो मुझे बात नहीं करना है अभी, आप मुझे छोड़ दो ना.
सर मुझे बात नहीं करना है सर मुझे छोड़ दो सर.
At this point,
मैं आगे बैठा हूँ सोच के हैंड ब्रेक ही छोड़ा, इसने खुद गाड़ी रोक ली.
इसने गाड़ी रोक दिया, bro.
और भाई उसके बाद जाके
His one plan is
And then he goes, then he opens the door and then he removes like one cigarette box. He's like, एक काम करते, I'll finish this cigarette, we'll walk on this road. I was like, sir, आप एक काम कीजिए, आप गाड़ी के अंदर बैठ के सिगरेट मारिए और आप मुझे छोड़ दीजिए. He's like, नहीं
आप
पर
मुझे छोड़ दीजिए.
He's like, नहीं पर
Beta thing to say, आप मुझे छोड़ दीजिए सर.
What else am I going to say? I want to fight you on an empty road in Chandigarh.
bro. In that situation, you have to like show that you're the.
Yeah,
I
so
don't
then-
fuck with me. I'm the guy.
then-
So you pull your cock out.
Show me.
बात करना है आपको. दिखाता हूँ आपको.
इससे बात कर.
Yeah.
And then I was like, sir, listen.
Listen.
I was like, sir, बहुत लेट हो रहा है
मुझे
फ्लाइट
छोड़
के
दो,
लिए. I was like,
सर मत बोलिए आप.
and then this fucker is just like, I was like, भाई please आप बैठ जाओ, आप मुझे छोड़ दो, हम बाद में बात कर लेंगे जब मैं next time आ रहा हूँ.
जी मेरा नंबर ले लो.
And then he's like, नहीं मुझे सिगरेट मारना है. And he like, you know, you can feel the switch in his energy.
Yeah.
Then he starts looking for the lighter. He's like, आपके पास है? I said नहीं, मैं.
नहीं आपके पैंट में है. मेरे को मालूम है.
Starts looking for a lighter. Thankfully he doesn't find it. I was like, sir आप छोड़ दो ना please, वो flight का मुझे टेंशन आ रहा है. And then he just goes, ठीक है. Then he sits, then he starts the car and he's like, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना मेरे से? I was like, नहीं सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप बस
तो नहीं.
एयरपोर्ट ले लो, मुझे जाना है. I'm scared of missing the flight. नहीं कोई नहीं रहेगा, there won't be any issue. Then he's driving but very slowly. It's like, when your handbrake, the plan is fully failed over here. And I'm shitting bricks because there's nobody on the road. Get to the airport also, there's nobody, bro. I got down immediately, I paid him. I was like, sir, chalo, thank you. And I ran inside the airport. I was like, bro, if this dude fucking follows me. Because I knew he's strong enough to whoop my ass. Because he said he's trained for the army and all.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, at this point, there's literally no winning.
Crow just pulled out his thumb. You know his
But-
like
I know where it hurts.
liability
Yeah.
मालूम है ना उसके अभी.
But what did he look like? Like what was this?
Like a normal guy.
Normal, like on 1 to 10.
Like a 4.
4.
4 is not bad, bro.
To get.
Could be worse.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't take cabs.
Man, the army dodged the bullet, huh? With this guy. This guy could have been
Oh man.
in the camps causing a ruckus. Bro, but that now, honestly, aisa not to like victim blame or anything, but like we've been discussing in the past few episodes, that Stewie kind of gives thoda
What? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
थोड़ा vibe तो you give.
Yeah, you like
What the fuck?
You just float it out there. Yeah, है ना?
You go. He's like floated out there. He looks at me top to bottom.
Yeah.
नहीं मतलब I don't know how to say this, but
He has a
you
bit
could
of
confuse a guy.
Hey, come on.
he has a bit of a Karan Johar type.
Karan Johar नहीं वो थोड़ा वो that's too obvious. But I'm saying I can see why someone would like
Think.
थोड़ा doubt. Like
Ah.
oh maybe that's this guy also he tried. He didn't like push or anything. Nah. He was like let me see. And then you were like no. He was like okay fuck wrong.
He's straight.
I misread this one. Fuck.
पानी दे.
I was convinced but ठीक है.
Like his gaydar was off. हाँ.
वैसे तो anyone can like undress your but if you're too straight also
That's a problem.
that's a problem because you're like fuck this guy is too straight.
Yeah, being too straight is like your.
Being too straight is kind of gay.
It is gay. For sure it is.
नहीं, there are straight gays.
What?
मतलब है ना, होता है ना ऐसा.
Closeted gays.
No, people who are like this is okay.
No, like he's
Where
like
I'm
not
going
the,
with this. Not the not the you know
Not the stereotypical.
yeah.
not the gay.
Yeah.
You know the
yeah. They're just
Then
like
how are they?
they're just guys
the
and
gay.
then normal guys and you're like oh,
Oh,
and then
like,
suddenly
This
we're
shit
like
is so cancelable.
well, I'm kind of
No, that's what we're trying to say. Anyone can be gay, you know?
anyone can be whatever they want baby. You could be whatever you want.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's okay. Stu, it's okay.
It's not your fault is what we're
Yeah,
trying to
it's
say.
not a choice. What the fuck am I saying?
Not your choice.
It's not your fault.
Yeah, it's okay.
It kind of was, but
See,
But what did I do
in
wrong?
this whole
I just
situation,
I just
you-
made conversation.
First of all,
went
you
and
sat next to him.
him.
But I always sit in the front seat.
हाँ तो then something to consider.
Yeah. You sit in the front seat, someone's gonna get into your back seat, bro.
I always sit at the back and I put my earphones on, and every now and again I'll remove. Sir, बोला आपने कुछ?
नहीं
Just
बोला
to
ना,
make sure.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
I didn't continue talking. मैंने हाँ.
Yeah. Or like AC थोड़ा तेज कर दो type.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, bro, that the time he stopped the car, that's really scary shit, bro. मतलब उससे
मेरी गांड फट गई थी, bro.
गांड फाड़ू चीज नहीं है. Once I was going somewhere with a girl
Hey.
and her place,
Hey.
and she was telling me कि एक कोई तो road है, I won't name the city, and there is
He's
a
been to so many cities. I won't name the city. Lisbon.
तो वहाँ पे she was telling me अभी कुछ तो news है कि you know how they loot people. Loot क्या बोल रहा हूँ भाई मैं, मतलब पकड़ के चोरी वोरी करते हैं उनका. Rob. Yeah, I was looking for rob. So the cab will stop.
Mug.
Mug.
Yeah, they mugged him.
Yeah, mugging. So वो cab will stop midway. उसके आगे आके एक और कैब रुकेगी. And then he'll say कि मेरा गाड़ी खराब हो गया है. And then he'll get out and try to help him. Both of them will come, steal your money जो भी है, and then fuck off. And this girl is telling me all this. I'm like यार ये सब थोड़ी होता है. Come on, dude. And even if it happens, I'm here. So like I'll take care of it. So don't worry.
बोलने में क्या जाता है?
तभी गाड़ी रुकी.
And then I shit you not, 10 seconds later this guy goes and stops. I'm like ऐसा क्या हो गया? I ask him क्या हो गया? He's like नहीं वो टायर चेक करना है. अब तक तो ठीक था टायर तेरा, क्या हो गया? He's like नहीं मैं देख के आता हूँ. Gets out. Another car comes, stops in front of our car. Look at this girl.
I take my word back.
Then she looks at me. She's like, go now, go see what's happened. I'm like हाँ जा रहा हूँ. 1-2 मिनट के बाद जाता हूँ, पहले खिड़की से देख लेता हूँ क्या है. And then I get out and see कि उसका सच्ची में कुछ खराब हो गया था गाड़ी सामने वाले का भी. Then this guy is like इसकी मदद कर देता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, उसका जंप स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा सब कुछ समथिंग. नहीं ये सब जंप स्टार्ट वगैरह करने का टाइम नहीं अपने पास भाई. मेरा कुछ और जंप स्टार्ट होने वाला है अभी थोड़ी देर में. We gotta get a move on here, dude. Like, get in the fucking car and let's go. But yeah, we just left.
So the car was actually fucked.
It was actually fucked, yeah.
So that poor guy is just like
Hey, he
left
can-
on the road over there
Yeah.
because you wanted to get laid.
It's not that
Sahi hai,
simple.
bro,
story.
but still fine.
Selfish.
It's
बेचारा
not-
रुका है उधर
It's not
रास्ते
that
पे।
straightforward.
Some people get started in the car only.
Yeah, those are scumbags.
नहीं भाई थोड़ा तो respect like
Respect what?
the driver
driver?
who's driving you. गाड़ी के पीछे मत करो भाई कुछ.
What all can you do? What's allowed in the car?
Hold hands.
Hold hands.
Hold
That is
hands,
too much.
Put your arm around them.
Huh. Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
Kiss them a bit
Start making out.
on the neck,
And then you guys can go like,
and then and then one thing leads to another. I think the intention is never to just like start going ham at the back of a car. It starts with hand holding only.
Yeah. And then you just get comfortable. You're like, it's nice.
But a lot of
अच्छी
people
हवा
don't,
चल रही है.
a lot of people don't have a place also na, to do things. That's one thing to consider.
तो cab में.
Hmm?
So they do it in the cab.
Wherever they get movies.
Dude, I didn't know you're not allowed doing stuff at the club. Like the bouncer will actually come to you and say,
Stuff मतलब क्या?
What were you doing when the bouncer came up to you?
no, like if you're like at the club, like dancing
Like
with a girl or
raw dogging. Near the DJ booth.
I didn't know you're not allowed to do this in the
मचा
club.
रहा है क्लब में तो सब चलता है.
no, if you're
Entry के
like
पैसे भरे मैंने.
if you're like dancing with a girl at a club,
टैक्स भरता हूँ मैं सर.
This is my property, sir.
this is old people का like one thing no matter whatever happens मैं टैक्स देता हूँ सर मैं.
yeah.
But what were you doing like?
I was saying, I'll get to it. Take a second. Yeah, if you're dancing with a girl and a kiss every now and then,
That's
bouncer
okay.
comes up to me is like, sir, ये सब करोगे ना तो आपको निकाल देंगे यहाँ से.
नहीं but तेरा देखा है मैंने kiss here and there.
Dance here and there रहता है तेरा. Dancing for 5 seconds. The rest is dancing in his pants.
Dancing 5%.
I remember his dance once. Remember the first year hormones?
Okay. Members.
Yugu is
देख भाई, listen,
he's one
listen.
of those guys.
Listen, man. See,
Aisa he'll come to you. We've gone out chilling. Aisa he'll come to you with a random girl you've never seen in your life. We just got engaged. And I know the game, okay? I know,
Yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah,
you
we
say
all
all
know the
these
game.
things. ऐसा बोल के oh bro. ठीक है, I respect it, but
I think I still have a photo of his engagement.
yeah.
yeah, that fell through, I think.
Yeah, it fell through the next morning.
Yeah. It
By
fell-
lunch, it fell through.
No. It fell through, yeah.
It's too funny. I still have that photo.
Yeah.
नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रहा था?
Only once you've been.
Wait.
Yeah. Sure.
We're staying true to our roots.
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Super chat.
देवांश भाई ने दिया है भाई 100 रुपए का सुपर चैट.
Thank you, Devansh bhai.
क्या बोल क्या रहा है?
कुछ नहीं बोला है, सिर्फ
Oh,
crazy.
wait, let's continue.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, bhai.
Engagement तोहफा दिया वो तेरे को.
Yeah.
Engagement के लिए 100 रुपए. I'll do it again.
Dude, this cab shit made. You guys saw that kid in Gujarat?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Fuck, bro. That
Yeah,
was just
that-
such a weird thing. to
Another
see for-
round. Nikita. Like, what the fuck are you trying to say, bro?
I have done some thinking about it because I saw like ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? First of all, the thing is these two guys are in a car and they've hit someone and the guy is obviously drunk. So and people have a video of him after the accident, him getting out of the car. First
His friend gets on, he goes, "Hey, पागल है."
he's like मैंने तो कुछ नहीं.
हाँ,
Yeah.
मैंने तो नहीं,
सब
पागल
उसने
है वो.
किया, सब उसने किया.
Yeah.
He's like, he clears his name like in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first 2 seconds. Then he goes to him only after that.
Yeah.
But that guy gets out and he's like, another round. I think he's telling his friend. Because his friend must have kept saying, "Oh, we'll have another round," and now he's fucked up the car and he's like hit someone. He's like, "बोल रहा था ना, बहन के लोड़े, another round, अभी देख, another round." I think that's the
Maybe. Or maybe he was thinking of ordering drinks.
No, he wasn't.
Nahi, bro. Are we talking seriously here?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, we're not, right?
No, but no, for real. I mean, that's what I deciphered.
No, he was on something, is what.
He was probably on bhang. Like he probably had bhang or
नहीं
something.
भांग से तो लोग इतना चिल्लाते विलाते नहीं है भाई.
You're
भांग से
usually not that aggressive. Like it, I think there were some blood tests done and they found some substance also.
snowfall
Some
in his bloodstream.
Some snowfall in Gujarat has happened for sure.
क्या हुआ था but?
I didn't read
You
the
didn't read
full
the-
report, but
We never do.
we never do. Yeah. What do you
The
expect
number
from us,
one
bro?
misinformation podcast.
Yeah,
No,
but
first of all, it's so weird. That isn't that supposed to be a dry,
Dry
state?
state, bro. That's
तो
crazy.
ये सब अभी अगले बार पुणे में ऐसा कुछ हो गया, किसी ने उड़ा दिया, मेरे को क्लब बंद नहीं चाहिए प्लीज 1 साल के लिए. क्योंकि
अब
अगर
तक बंद है bro.
हाँ, क्योंकि ड्राई स्टेट में हो रहा है तो मतलब इट्स नॉट अ
Exactly.
क्लब थिंग. People
Yeah.
drink.
people drink everywhere.
People have always drank since alcohol
Was
a
invented.
thing.
Yeah.
They've never stopped.
Yeah.
And I don't think they ever will. They've
Yeah.
reduced, but it's gonna happen. And now that we have cars, people will drink and drive.
Yeah, this drink and drive thing is something that I'll never fully understand, bro. Because most of these guys have the money to, like,
I understand it. I don't condone it, but I understand it.
what do you mean?
Because it's not just driving. When you drink, you feel like you can do anything. So it becomes one of those things where,
It's an ego issue.
yeah, and obviously when you're drunk, your ego is on a super saiyan mode.
It's inflated, to
Yeah.
say the least, yeah.
So how can you say I can't drive?
Yeah.
And bro, I've seen smart people. Matlab, as there is a thing that happens when you drink. Even smart people are, oh, I can drive. It's only the people who have decided from before only that I won't be driving that won't even consider driving. The people who first of all remove their cars to go to a bar, that's the first.
Again,
That's the
like,
first step.
हाँ, तो मत करो ना. Like you know you're going for drinks. So that's something that people need to consider, and it's not just about driving. Just with alcohol in general, you drink to become a different person. Like you become a different person. Maybe that's not the goal, but when like drunk Amin is not the same as sober Amin.
Yeah.
Drunk Hugo is different.
Oh,
Drunk
yeah.
Sui is different.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Back of a cab.
It's,
A sober
it's an old life.
A sober Amin never thinks having 10 drinks a night is a good idea. But a drunk Amin after 3 drinks wants to have another drink.
Yeah.
And now he's had 4 drinks and he's become a different person again.
Yeah.
And that person thinks it's a good idea to have 5 drinks.
Yeah.
And the person on 5 drinks is a different person.
It just clouds your judgment at every stage.
हाँ, तो मतलब जो तू as a sober person you would do,
Yeah.
but drinking and driving is one thing. So many stupid things you do as a, like अपने कितने videos है भाई of us just doing stupid shit while being drunk.
Yeah.
Once I fell into the bushes.
Yeah, but one thing you'll never see us is drinking and driving.
Yeah.
Ever.
हाँ, मतलब it's not worth it. It's
Yeah.
like first of all it's illegal, but secondly, ठीक है, there's some laws that we break every now and then. But this is not
No, we
one of
don't.
them.
Yeah.
This is not
Yeah.
one of them.
You saw that dude's interview after?
सुरेश के घर जा रहा था.
Suresh? हाँ, Suresh के घर जा रहा था. And then they asked him who's Nikita, because after the
Oh yeah, what did he say? Who's
after
Nikita?
the 3 rounds he's like, Nikita Meri? And then he doesn't say anything.
And then he starts.
What?
And then he says
Praising God.
Yeah, then he remembers God.
This is the sober interview. Like the next day or
No,
the
no.
same.
Same, he gets out of the car,
हाँ.
says another round some 2-3 times, then says Nikita Meri.
Hmm.
Kaun Nikita, no one knows. Then he remembers God for 2-3 times. And then they get him, and then that's the footage that they have.
Yeah, I saw on Twitter a lot of people on Twitter to use anything for like any instance they'll find and they'll make another issue out of
Religious,
it.
yeah.
So now they're like, oh, he was saying God, this is the India that we're living in, that people can do anything and say
And then
God's
say,
name
yeah.
and get away with it.
Yeah.
Which I don't think was that. I think people who are religious in tough times, they remember God. I don't think he did it for the camera or anything.
No, of
No,
course he
he
wouldn't.
said he did it for the camera though.
That's what he
in the
said.
interview. He said, "I started saying absurd shit to get people away from me, like so that people think
So they think he's
I've lost
delirious.
it. I'm crazy."
But I thought he did lose it.
That's
Bro,
what it
no,
looks
But
like.
that's what happens, bro, in a
You're
state of shock.
Yeah,
I mean, he's killed someone there. Why?
yeah.
That's crazy though. How
And
old
people
is
are
he?
telling him in that video, तेरे वजह से 3 लोग मर गए.
Yeah. When did they
Yeah.
beat him up though? There's no video of them beating him up.
I didn't see any.
Because his face is
footage
like
of that.
fully battered the next day.
That might have been because of the accident itself also.
No, but when he gets out of the car, so he's all
थोड़ा सूझने को टाइम लगता है ना.
Yeah,
gets out he's like this airbag जैसे भोसड़ी.
yeah, but that shit is just.
It's just disheartening, bro, that this shit happens all the time. That Dehradun case also.
What happened?
There also these like some family bought a new Innova. This was sometime last year. This kid fucking, I think 19-year-olds or something, very young kids, I remember, not very old. These guys have drank all night, 6-7 of them. They decided to take the Innova out late at night. And Innova is a very, very powerful car, bro.
Yeah.
That guy is like zooming the car, he's lost control. Brand new Innova, bro. Like, I've seen the photos on Reddit, which I should not have seen. They've all, like, 3 of them were beheaded, bro. Their heads were lying there, the car is lying there. And like the car is broken in half. And then when people are coming, they're like, ek abhi bhi zinda hai. They like call the ambulance. And you can see that guy like twitching and shit, bro. Disgusting. Like, what are you gaining from doing that, bro? Itna daru pee ke tum log gaadi chala rahe ho.
Yeah,
It's
man.
just stupid, bro.
There has to be. What can be done?
Solution.
Yeah, because people really like they make it a thing. Ki, like I've known people. Like one of the girls I used to date, she was like, my friends and I are like, we've had a night of clubbing or whatever, and it's 3 o'clock now. So we do this thing where we go on a drive, and the guy who's really drunk, he drives really fast. Like this is fun. Like are you hearing yourself? Like what is wrong with
that? On a social level, there is not enough disgust from people.
Like, do you think? Do you
Like
think
if you see one of your friends doing it, like you should like tear him a new one.
yeah.
So something that I started doing was like, if you've drank, I'm not sitting in your car.
No chance.
Tu mera best. I think I've done with like very close people.
Yeah, everyone.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm
it
like,
doesn't
bro,
matter.
ये तो
who-
नहीं होगा.
Like I've fought with my dad also once. Like he's like, I've had 1 or 2 drinks, I can drive. I'm like, ठीक है. नहीं जाएंगे अपन गाड़ी में, गाड़ी छोड़ देंगे हम.
हाँ.
कोई बात नहीं. Like it's just not something that's worth doing. Like at any point.
हाँ तो वही तो social level पे I think people should just be more disgusted with it when they see
Yeah.
it. Like if they see a friend doing it, say see
Call it
people
out.
around, and they're like, bro,
Yeah.
what the fuck? Like, क्या कर रहा है तू?
Yeah.
And on the policy level, I think one of the things is there's many things. One of the things is just have more police
Yeah. They've increased this thing. now.
checking, but that is also how much do you expect, bro? Raat bhar you expect policemen to like be out checking for alcohol. Now the ones who check also after catching someone, क्या हो रहा है उसके बाद? Under the table, bribery is going on. all
The
Yeah,
thing
that
is like
happening.
they'll take that and they say, "Ha, go ahead." That guy still driving drunk, no,
Yeah.
bro.
So that's not being stopped. They're not.
Actually, there just need to be more cabs available at.
Cab
तो
availability
है ही
तो
भाई.
है, bro.
Nahi, bro. I'll tell you. In a city like Mumbai, yes. But in a city like Pune, when I was out, bro, I was barely getting cabs at night. At 10 o'clock, I wasn't getting a cab to go from my house to KP. Like 15 minute lag raha hai, 20 minute lag raha hai to get a cab.
ठीक है but अभी
Yeah, I feel like that's still a.
रिक्शा भी है ना bro, मेट्रो
That's
भी
what
है,
I'm,
like
yeah,
बस
but
भी है.
that's what I'm saying. Like the thing is, there just needs to be more transport modes available at night.
There's another thing, but that is also not effective. Like at the bars themselves, like the bartenders need
Should
to.
take away
That
our
is never
Yeah.
going to. They want to do business, man.
हाँ,
They want
but
to sell
But
you.
like what I've heard is that abroad they immediately stop. Like if they see someone really drunk,
They're cut off.
they're cut off. The bartender will be like, "Bro, you're done."
yeah.
Mm.
तो भाई तू इतना नहीं पी सकता. But then you get a table, you order a bottle, you drink the whole bottle. Who's gonna stop you?
Yeah.
And
Can't
it's
take his
usually
bottle
guys
back.
like these only, bro. Boy, ऐसा भी काफी
I
like the
swear, bro,
cases
those
that become
fucking-
public. It's these rich kids.
Yeah. You saw that Pune ka thing.
क्या हुआ?
This guy stops
Oh,
at
the guy
a
who
signal
BMW
and
guy.
he's urinating at the signal.
वो मुद दिया bro, like he parked to the
Like
side.
on the main road के कोई signal पे
Yeah, yeah.
खड़ा रह के he's taken his cock out and
Or
he's
the guy
peeing.
who was apologizing.
Yeah, the next day. I am so sorry to the government of Maharashtra and to all the people residing. I'm like, अरे के बात करना ठीक से. अरे fuck.
But I don't know, man. It's one of those problems that it's just a culture problem.
Yeah.
It's an ego trip problem, bro, with the rich kid.
No, but I think it's not looked down upon enough.
Yeah, of course it's not.
That's the thing. When like gaadi tera bhai chalayega is a thing that people say.
Gedi.
Like it's a joke that people. I think it just needs to be looked down upon more. Because that's the only way to stop it. If people start calling out their friends.
Yeah.
Now then, if there is a case where someone's gone alone and they're drinking, that's a special case. But most times it's people with their friends.
Yeah.
You go out drinking with friends and
Yeah.
people around you. And there are also venues where I've seen them at least encourage people to not drink and drive. But now every venue isn't going to be like that. So there's not really a solution to it. It's as long as alcohol is going to be around. It's not just driving. That's one of the things. There's alcohol ke baad there's violence.
Yeah.
People get into fights.
Yeah.
Like the social utility of alcohol is very high, but at the same time the drawbacks of it are also very high.
It's high, like the utility is high, but beyond a certain point, it's really bad. Like एक point के बाद, it's only bad.
Yeah.
There's no
good coming out.
There's no good coming out of that shit.
That's, on top of that, I mean, it is literally poison.
Yeah, they say that.
No, it is.
They say that.
That's the thing. The way it reacts with your body, it's like it's how poison reacts. So that is always there, but you can't deny that it's fucking fun.
Chalo, let's go drink.
I miss the drinking sometimes though.
No, so that's the thing. You can do it.
Do it in moderation. Do it once in a while.
Once in a while, do it with your
Yeah.
friends. Have a good time. It's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
I'm like there's so many good memories that we've had
Yeah.
while drinking, and
We
now-
actually haven't drank together in like forever,
A very
bro.
long time.
Yeah,
I can't remember the last time we all drank.
I've almost like left it fully. Every now and then I do it, but it's.
I think the last time we all had a drink together was in Goa.
Yeah.
No, we did it in the living room.
Oh yeah, three of us.
No, I'm saying the four of us, like Krishna.
Krishna also.
Yeah.
But that time Krishna didn't drink.
He
See,
drank.
that's another instance. You're in Goa with your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You drink. There's no two ways about it. You're going out, you're drinking. You're going to have a meal, you have a cocktail. That's just how it is. That place is
Yeah, I
Known
mean,
It's
for
meant
it.
for that.
you can make some exceptions for sure. You can do it.
if you go to Amsterdam, you smoke a joint.
Maybe.
That's just how it is. I don't make the rules. Their government has encouraged it fully.
Yeah.
So
So when are
Yeah.
we going?
where
Next trip.
कहीं भी भाई.
जाते हैं bro अभी plan करते हैं.
Yeah,
Let's put
it's-
out these Manali videos and then
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
I watched a really nice film
Which one?
the other day. Super
Super
Boys
Boys?
of Malegaon. बहुत ही अच्छा फिल्म था bro.
Did you cry?
What is it about?
I cried. Super Boys of Malegaon is about these group of guys in Malegaon. Malegaon is this like village in Maharashtra, which is like it has nothing. It's literally मतलब कुछ है नहीं वहाँ पे. लोग just they do their work and they sleep. There's nothing else. And this guy named Nasir Sheikh, him and his dad ran a video parlor, which is a room where people come and it's like a movie theater. But it's obviously smaller plastic chairs and ये तो वो गांव में लोग वहाँ पे जाके movies देखते थे and they ran films like old films whatever like
शोले
they would
हो
find a film and they would run it for a month.
हाँ.
शोले बार चलता है
हाँ,
DDLJ all the classics and So this guy had gone to the city. Like this is what they've shown in the movie. I don't know. It's based on a true story, but in the movie they show this guy had gone to the city, and वहाँ पे he found the place where he gets the movies from. वहाँ पे someone had put a board like halal tape versus haram tape. Like you could buy either halal or haram version of the film. And
Okay,
then he
what's
goes to
the
the guy.
difference?
He's like, what is this?
Huh.
So he takes him to the back and he shows him that, see, they show a movie in which I think Amir Khan and Karishma Kapoor have a kissing scene.
Hmm.
So on VCR tape, he's recording it onto another tape and making copies. Whenever there is an intimate scene, he would like stop recording, skip ahead to like kind of censor
Yeah.
that part. So that's like halal tape.
Hmm.
Versus haram is with the scene.
Huh.
So this guy is fascinated that this guy could like manipulate the video like that, like edit it.
Right.
So then he starts thinking, he goes back home, and this guy likes films, and he's like, these guys, they just watch these old films, like I want to show them nice films. But the people don't have the understanding to sit and watch a classic.
Right.
So this guy, he takes a bunch of different movies like Chaplin and Bruce Lee ke movies, and he cuts it in a way where he's doing match cuts between these films. So like if Bruce Lee is throwing a kick to someone, वहाँ पे Charlie Chaplin is spinning around उसके बाद. And he makes as a like 4-in-1 movie, 5-in-1 movie. And he's like, let's see what happens. And they're just like these silly edits. And people would come and they would like fucking love that shit. Like wow, they start selling a lot of tickets where people would come. And then this one day, suddenly the cops pull up. They start beating everyone up and they tear the curtain, the screen. And they're like, do you know what piracy is? You can't be showing us these movies.
You
Like,
need a license
You need a
or-
license
Right.
for all this. And then he realizes, oh fuck, piracy is a thing.
Huh.
So then he's like, हम अपना पिक्चर बनाएंगे क्योंकि उसमें तो कोई piracy नहीं है, it's an original.
Yeah.
So him and his friends, they sit and he goes and he's like, I want to make a film. And everyone laughs at him, obviously. And then they're like, nahi, we'll make a film. And he had a friend who was a writer. He would write columns for the local newspaper. And he was also not going anywhere. वो लिख रहा है. And he had this like, he's like, I'm a writer, I should be doing well. And they kept thinking about going to Bombay. And then this is based in like 1997.
Okay.
They kept saying we'll go to Bombay, वहाँ पे हम movies का काम करेंगे. And everyone's like, अरे क्या? Like, you're from Malegaon, what the fuck?
Huh.
So then they sit down and they come up with a plan. They're like, क्या बनाएंगे? So the writer he has an original story. He's like, we'll make this. And the guy, that Nasir, he's like, अरे यहाँ के लोगों को समझेगा नहीं. They want comedy, they want like something silly. So we will make Sholay.
Okay.
But Malegaon ka Sholay.
Huh.
So like the story, it's like a parody of Sholay based in their village.
Like Spider-Man.
हाँ.
Spider-Man.
हाँ.
That
So
one.
somehow they like get a crew together. This guy films the whole thing, makes the movie, and they run it in their own theater. It becomes a super hit in their gaon. Like, everyone wants to come. Houseful. Every show is houseful. People are watching it multiple times. And once that's done, they sit down. They're like, okay, we'll make another film. Now this guy had told him कि भाई ये जब चल गया ना, इसके बाद तेरा वो story बनाएंगे. And then now they sit down and he's like, now we'll make my film. And Nasir is like, nahi, we'll make another film. And then that writer is like, मेरे को मालूम था तेरे को इसका चस्का लग गया है अभी. मैंने एक comedy भी लिखी है, but it's an original. Again, that's an original. But this guy is just against making. He's like, मैं parody बनाऊंगा. And these guys have a falling out. And he's like, अरे who you think you've become some big actor making these big director, you've made these parodies.
So he's just making
That guy is an art purist. This guy is like commercial. उसको बनाना
no,
है.
but this guy knows what the people would like or want to see, and
But the
this
people
guy,
haven't had na.
That's
People
true.
don't know what is
That's
good and
true.
what isn't, no?
So basically, it's about these guys who make this film. I don't want to run. through
Yeah,
the
I
whole
think you've
film.
given in.
You've already told us the
Enough.
whole
No, this
But-
is just the beginning.
Right,
Okay,
but
okay.
that sounds really cool. I'm gonna watch it. Yeah.
And now these guys are still making films, like in reality. It's based on them, and they have their own they have
Production, no?
created an industry within Malegaon, and they make movies for the people over there, which is so cool, bro. It's like
Yeah.
so endearing. And
We should go to this place, man. Once.
Malegaon.
Huh?
Even I was thinking.
है ना? We
वहाँ पे
should like
जाके मिलते हैं वहाँ के लोग
we
से
should
क्या-
go and see like what the place is about now.
Yeah.
Go meet those guys.
Yeah. But it's cool, bro. Like, it's one of those things I watched and I was like, bro, like, you can make, people can be creative and people can make stuff that like reaches more people and like connects with them no matter where you're from and with what like facilities that you have. These guys didn't have anything, bro. ऐसा handycam पे record कर रहे हैं. Like
Yeah.
they would tie the camera to a cycle and move it ahead to get like wide shot.
Damn. DIY.
हाँ, वो वहाँ पे उधर थोड़ा like they have थोड़ा पानी उसमें ट्यूब डाल के इधर like moving shit around and making a scene out of it.
Yeah.
Full like DIY types.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, bro, this is damn good. And like the film by itself was so nice that now you know movies का क्या scene है. Like Hindi movies, so the ones actually that come out in the theater, mostly they're bad.
Sure, like
Most of them are overdone.
Overdone तो नहीं, मतलब like
most of them don't do well at the box office.
it's
There's a
not
reason,
about that.
na?
There's it's more about originality of stories. वो काफी rare है, मतलब.
But that's always been the case, right? People like producers, they would want a proven something that's proven in a different market where
yeah,
they can find a way to.
किसका reference point चाहिए ना
हाँ,
उनको,
कि-
एक proven reference point.
हाँ, yeah, most of them usually want that.
Yeah. So in this also there is a take on that as well. Because that guy, the writer, eventually he goes to Bombay and he's like, I'll make my own films here, and he would take his stories to production house and they'll be like, अरे ये क्या है? Like कुछ ये.
Oh, ये original क्या है?
हाँ, ये क्या लाए हो तुम?
हाँ.
ये लिखो, ऐसा लिखो.
Remix करके
ऐसा
ला.
लिखो. हाँ.
So
Yeah.
in the movie they show that, I was like, fuck, that was a nice dig.
Yeah.
But then you see films like this and people also enjoy it. Like it becomes one of those things where you have to give people movies like this so that they know, oh, this also exists. अगर तुम बार बार रिसाइकल करके दे रहे हो साउथ का पिक्चर उठा के हिंदी में कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, तो then how will they build a taste for good films?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no. It's going to be very tough, man. I feel like people are doing it now, though. There are new writers and directors who are.
हाँ, अभी तो मतलब
Opening
हो
up
रहा है,
to-
better हो रहा है
Yeah.
OTT पे, but
Yeah.
फिर भी like you have a movie like this that comes out, ठीक है, people saw it, and whoever saw it liked it, but it didn't make that much noise. On the other hand, you have like Nadania, who's everywhere. Like you can't escape it, even if you want to.
Apparently, it's a shit movie.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't watched it, but
Even I
would-
haven't
if
watched
I
it,
had
but-
to,
Yeah, what I've heard is it's a bad movie.
if I had to guess,
Yeah.
if I had to like,
You don't even need to guess. Like so much of it is on reels and like you see most of the film on like in shorts.
Greatest
Yeah.
Noida.
Yeah.
yeah, like, what the fuck is that? And I for one don't have a problem with like star kids getting launched and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with that. Karo, theek hai. Obviously, you're cutting the line and you're.
Yeah, of course, bro.
But
But
ठीक
Saif Ali
है.
Khan's kid. Of course, you're going to skip the line.
हाँ, तो वही.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Now that you've skipped a line, give me something good.
Yeah.
That's my thing. कि भाई
Yeah.
तेरे को मिल रहा है. That way, I like Ranbir Kapoor. He was always good.
Yeah.
From his first film, he's been good.
Yeah.
He's had
done
shit
some
films,
shit movies, but
he's been a
You
good
can-
actor. तो
Count the shit movies, bro. Like,
हाँ, but वो अच्छा ही, मतलब उसका acting तो अच्छा ही है ना.
yeah.
Obviously, मतलब it's not the best in the world, but it's pretty respectable, and it's
I feel like it's
in the mainstream actors, he's the best, I would say.
yeah.
Yeah.
The
New
next
age.
the next gen भी नहीं बोल सकते भाई, वो भी अभी काफी
हाँ.
like like
If you
he's also-
discard the Khans and the top
Yeah.
3-4, then yeah, he's probably the best.
But the Khans also, they have star power, but I don't think
Yeah.
they're the best actors.
For sure.
I don't think Shah Rukh Khan is an amazing actor.
Hmm.
He has aura, he has energy, and you love seeing him on
Yeah.
screen for him being Shah Rukh Khan. But his acting isn't insane. He will also tell you that my acting isn't the best.
Come on.
नहीं,
Yeah,
वो
bro.
अच्छा-
He's not the best actor. He does the same
Come on.
like
नहीं तू देख, and he has done good films. मतलब you would say he's done respectable.
There are things that only he can do is what I'll
For
say.
sure, but
There
that
are
is-
things only Ranbir can do. There are things.
No, but Ranbir
But
can do
Ranbir can do
anything.
most of them.
Nahi, Ranbir. Dekh, I was actually thinking about this. Ranbir can do. Like, I don't think he's the best guy for romance. Like, he can do like a rock star or an intellectual film. He can't do action. He can't do
Animal तो क्या?
action.
तो
मतलब
क्या?
action तो
He's
नहीं है
killing
भाई
people,
वो.
bro, in that, like, left, right,
It's
center.
not. It's not hardcore action.
You
By
mean like
action I
someone
mean
like Tiger Shroff coming and doing
like
flips and
Hrithik
shit.
Roshan.
Hmm.
He can do like all of these things.
Where did Shah Rukh ever do any of that?
Shah Rukh अभी तो
started his career in action,
नहीं, but अभी
then
तो क्या
romance.
उसने?
Which
and
one?
again now
He
so
did
he's done so
Pathaan
many
and
action
Jawan.
movies.
That Raees also he had done.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I feel like all these guys they're really great at one thing. Like you can't take away.
No, but I'll
from
tell
that.
you, when you're seeing Shah Rukh Khan on screen, he's Shah Rukh Khan. Doesn't matter what role he's playing.
Yeah.
You're seeing him as Shah Rukh Khan. You're not seeing him as that character.
I forgot about Dawn only. Dawn is such an iconic movie.
I see,
Same
I
with
see, I
Salman.
see.
Same with Salman.
Yeah.
Salman started good. He was like doing roles that were challenging, and I like his early films.
Hmm.
Whatever role he did, sometimes he's like the bola wala, like the rich damat of that family.
हाँ हम आपके हैं कौन?
He's done it in, I think, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also. He was.
Yeah, he has that
हाँ.
role. Yeah.
Then after a while he gave up. He was like, bro, fuck, मेरे को
मैं
people just want to see
बनाऊंगा
Salman Khan. I'll just,
Dabangg.
हाँ. Same
Yeah.
role in different
Yeah.
Movies.
costumes.
Yeah. And all blockbusters and
But Amir, you would see him. He becomes the
character.
Shah Rukh is always Shah Rukh.
Yeah, Shah Rukh is always
Shah Rukh
Shah
is
Rukh.
just
Salman is a brand.
bigger
They're all
than-
like,
Yeah.
Yeah. Bigger than the character.
Like, he's like an aura merchant.
Hmm. But I feel like the 2000s 2010 wala time pe he was those characters.
Who? Shah Rukh?
oh,
Like the वो कौन सा था?
My name is Khan.
My Name is Khan हो गया. Yeah.
Chak De.
The sad movie, but I forgot the name. How can I?
My Name is Khan is so sad, bro.
That is also really sad. But the one where he dies.
Kal ho na ho.
कल होना हो.
हाँ.
कल होना हो भाई.
Cool, no way.
Yeah.
His voice, bro.
I'm tearing up.
No, bro, I love Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm saying this as an
Yeah, I know,
admirer
I get
only.
it, yeah,
मैं बोल
yeah.
रहा हूँ, ठीक है, if I'm like, if I'm playing the movie critic and I'm ranking actors, Shah Rukh doesn't come.
Okay,
anywhere
then
in
let's hear your.
Go for it, Rajiv
Give
Masand.
me your top 5 actors in Bollywood.
active right now.
Just
No,
from,
overall.
since whenever you've watched movies and stuff.
And mainstream.
हाँ, means whoever actually, it doesn't matter.
Whoever to that.
Whoever, so then none of these will ever make top 5.
Nice. If I say
Okay, then I'm going to get to yours also after this.
whoever, I'll talk about the mainstream
Yeah.
ones because I don't think I've watched enough films to like go. Like if I haven't seen the best of Manoj Bajpayee.
Right.
Like I haven't seen a lot of.
नवाज के भी पता नहीं
Nawaz
कितने
is
सारे
They've
like
done a
crazy.
lot of films, bro, that we don't know about.
Fair. Okay, go.
तो mainstream में इरफान खान,
Okay.
Good one.
Alia is great.
Okay.
I'm just saying because मतलब she's mainstream and she's active.
Yeah,
and
she's amazing.
And she's our generation.
Yeah.
Saying Irfan and Alia is just weird, bro.
नहीं, but that's crazy. I would have not.
Thought of who? Irfan?
नहीं, I'm saying he would not be number 1 in my
Number
list.
one name, I'm saying in no
Okay,
order.
or
Top
not
5.
in order.
हाँ.
Okay.
Who else do we have? Acting wise. Ranbir is also there. Then, bro, I really like Aishwarya Rai.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
I
she.
don't think I've seen much of her.
Whatever, like, I don't think anyone will touch.
Yeah, I mean the early
Looks-wise though-
2000s Aishwarya Rai was
And
Is widely
And
considered.
she's done crazy shit, bro. She's
हाँ.
done Hollywood also. She's done films that
Pink Panther.
Pink Panther.
नहीं वो तो बाद में था. She's done movies like Namesake and shit.
No, yeah. I have not watched
Yes.
it, but yeah.
Who else?
Crazy. Good range on that list.
Who else is there?
4 though you completed.
You got one more.
Three
You
I
get one
did.
more.
4.
नहीं, 4 हो गए.
रणबीर, आलिया,
Irfan.
इरफान,
रणबीर भी होगा.
ऐश्वर्या.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll get back to this. You
Okay.
guys.
Stoop, then you go with yours.
I actually haven't watched those many movies.
Oh, what are we
From
for?
what you've seen,
Yeah.
From what I've seen,
from your sample space.
sample space is too small, bro. For
Sample size, Ray.
same.
I think I would say Amitabh also, bro. Amitabh just for iconic. And if he wants to act, he can act. Matlab,
Yeah.
like he's done some crazy
Yeah.
movies like Pink and stuff. He's done well.
See,
Yeah.
Irfan is obviously has to be there, bro.
Irfan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's great.
Which all movies have I watched? I have to try and think of that.
Hmm.
काफी है bro. Like I think
मैं कौन से movies देखा है? प्रशांत को पता है क्या मैं कौन से movies देखा है?
प्रशांत तो
Life
पूछ
में.
रहा है तो भाई.
Yeah, I haven't
but
watched
just
those many. I
come
don't remember.
just think of the names that come up now.
Yeah.
Ranbir for sure,
Hmm.
from the ones that I've watched. Rajkumar Rao is also pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, he's good.
Nawaz
Good actor.
Nawaz.
and who else? Saif is also actually pretty good, bro. If you think
Love Saif. Yeah.
his variety is like crazy.
Harman Bavega.
OG.
Shahid Kapoor is also good.
Shahid
Shahid
Kapoor is good.
is, yeah, he's underrated.
He was. I was gonna name him in my.
Yeah.
I was gonna say Kareena Kapoor also.
Oh
bro.
yeah, of
Yeah,
course,
can
भाई. Yeah.
तेरा कौन सा है? तेरे कौन है?
Shahrukh, Salman, Amir. Shahrukh, Salman, Amir,
Saif.
Saif.
संजय दत्त.
Ooh. No, I was gonna. If we're being real, I have Nasiruddin Shah in my list.
Oh,
I have.
he's pulling out the big guns.
I have Nana Patekar also in my list, and I have a cheeky little John Abraham.
John.
Bhai, he does some cool movies.
He's good.
You've seen.
Bro, a lot of these actors are good. I
Yeah.
would
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
Except a few who are just like not good. Like some you can just say, bro, this guy is not good. He'll probably not be good ever. Types. अभी मेरे को बोलना नहीं है.
नहीं मत बोल.
मत
नहीं,
बोल
well, let me
कुछ.
say,
Live है.
ठीक है, but ठीक है. What do they care? They clearly don't care about what the audience thinks if they continue to act.
No, but I feel like actors get better with movies. Like you see
some
Alia's first movie and you see the stuff
But
she's
she
done.
had the scope from her first movie,
But-
no?
हाँ, she did a good job as Shania,
Shania, yeah.
Which was her first movie.
student of
Student
the
of the
year.
year.
नहीं देख, some actors they also know कि मैं acting ability से नहीं जा रहा हूँ. जैसे like someone like Akshay Kumar.
Oh yeah, fuck. How did I?
But
But
he is like, bro, I'll do as many films as I can. He's like, when he does interviews and
But
all, he
no
talks
one-
about his discipline.
No
and
one can touch him in comedy.
तो but वो comedy तो अब if you're good in comedy,
Paresh Rawal, no one can touch in comedy.
That's
तो
a
अलग ही
different.
tier
That's
है.
a different
That's
kind
all.
of comedy, though.
so that's what I'm saying. Akshay Kumar in comedy, amazing. Akshay Kumar in anything else, not so great.
Correct. Yeah.
Like I don't
Those
want to see
real
him
life
do.
things of his are also decent.
नहीं bro.
But I feel he does too many of that.
हाँ, like I
Acha,
don't want to see him
the-
do romance. I don't want to
Yeah.
see him do. Like I don't want to see him be a policeman.
This chair is so.
I don't want to see him be a policeman. I don't want to see him like do a lot of things.
Hmm.
But there are things that he can do.
Yeah.
But वही है ना, तो जब commercial side घुस जाता है पिक्चरों में and then the actors are also now Akshay he's not going for like I don't know how he selects his movies, but he selects a lot of movies.
Yeah.
You've seen
Yeah.
that guy who's breaking it down about how Akshay is reading off the teleprompter through
Yeah.
for every dialogue.
Yeah.
And he's like, there's no emotion only that he's using. He's like, this is what happens when you do so many movies.
Huh,
Like instead of
मतलब
looking
he's-
at Amin, he'll be like this, like it's slightly teda.
Yeah.
And he's reading off all the dialogues.
Mm.
So that's what separates, bro, a lot of people also. Like just choosing what films you're doing. A lot of guys go for quantity. ठीक है, at the end of the day, it's your job. You're making money.
Yeah.
But there are some people who are purists and they're like, "Nee, I'll only do this and that." And then if we're talking about legacy, that's what comes.
Hmm.
That's what you look at after.
Yeah.
You're not looking at. So yeah.
Legacy wise, then Ranbir has really lived up to the Kapoor legacy, I would say.
Yeah, he did a good job.
Still doing it.
That's a lot of it has to do with his father, I think,
Hmm.
because he just seems like he was never impressed from what he talks about. So मतलब काफी उसने try किया
Yeah.
to get his approval.
Hmm.
That's what it seems like when you see him
Yeah.
talk about it.
Yeah. You've seen
He
the
says it
interviews.
also, na, the Nikhil Kama podcast pe.
Yeah. And also now, I don't like speaking ill of the dead, but
Hmm.
people don't have nice things to say about his father.
Really?
Yeah.
I have not studied the history of Rishi Kapoor, so I don't.
He's just,
I don't
he's
know
like,
much.
He was an old timer, like one of those guys.
Hmm.
He was like the biggest star in Bollywood at some point.
Yeah.
So if you've been that, and those were different times also, bro.
Hmm.
If you're a big star at that time, like the star power that you have, you can
You were
walk
God,
in-
bro.
and people know you all over the world.
Hmm,
Rishi
hmm,
Kapoor,
hmm.
if you say anyone who knows Bollywood, they will know Raj Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor.
Yeah.
So that legacy you're coming from, you've always been rich. You've
Yeah.
always been in that limelight.
Hmm.
So it takes a lot for you to be normal.
Hmm.
So he's lived through all of that. And then Ranbir was born in a different generation altogether. So for him, it's easier to like be grounded. And he wasn't born in a time where he could do any movie just because he's Rishi Kapoor's son. He'll be
Hmm.
You had to work a little for it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Damn,
Yeah.
Ravi Saran broke down Bollywood.
Bollywood family dynamics. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think we're done. We did
Yeah.
everything.
Let's
कुछ हो रहा है क्या पश्चात
let's
chat में?
do questions, man, if we have. बता ना
हाँ.
सवाल थोड़े.
मतलब एक क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज कृष्णा?
Krishna is not here, obviously. He's
Good question. Next.
he'll be back soon at some point. वो busy होगा
no ऐसा good questions, there are just opinions.
ठीक है,
Opinions?
That's fine.
Yeah.
ठीक है. We'll go through the opinions after.
When we turn off the cameras.
Yeah, and we'll fix this issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
if-
Yeah, we
We'll,
need to.
we'll fix it for next time. ये तो first time we decided 2 hours
Literally,
ago
yeah.
to do this. तो अच्छे से कर लेंगे. I think
Yeah.
it's a fun way of doing it.
Yeah, I like it.
And with once more people join us, and it'll be good.
Yes. This
ठीक
is
है.
fun.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you haven't already. Become a member to see this
Buy
live.
the membership, yaar.
And see you next time.